Okay, here we have the Torpedo Men rating badge device. There's a close-up look. I'll show you the dimensions here in a second, but this is really, really neat, really detailed. This would be for a U.S. Navy enlisted member who is rated as a torpedoman, typically on a submarine. So there is the width, as you can see. It's about 5 inches, and the height is about an inch. And these are perfect for the wall door or a car. So you could actually mount, we provide mounting tape on the back for either a vehicle or a flat surface in your house. All right, there you have the Torpedoman rating badge.